What a great way to start a morning. Oh my god, it's amazing.
I just looked up and there was a horse right at the window. Look at the baby horse!
Wow, so much has changed since we last saw each other. We were both working for the same company, but we've since left those jobs. We are now back on the road and we could not be happier. We've just been at Camp Quirky and had the best time. Now we're in Wales. I'm now working full-time for Quirky Campers, remotely from the van. So in today's vlog, we show you what it's like to work remotely and take a few walks around this beautiful park-up spot in the Brecon Beacons.
Good morning.
Morning.
So we're in Wales now.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
It's so beautiful. It's so awesome.
We've been in this spot for a couple of days. Because I'm working full time now, we're kind of like staying still for 4 or 5 days while I work and then exploring. But we're in this beautiful spot where we've been parking for free, so we've made sure every day we've gone out and gone for a walk. And we're about to go for a run, apparently.
There's a little mountain over there that we're going to go run up, so that should be really awesome.
We're running up there.
Yeah.
I think it's like 7:30,
Beautiful.
8 o'clock.
Yeah.
We're going to do some exercise before a day of work. Yeah, this spot is amazing. There's loads of other campervans.
Mm. So now that is the mountain we're going to climb up. It's got a beautiful view at the top. You can already see that we can see the view on this side, but we can't see the view on that side. But once you get to the top, you can see views all around and it's amazing. So this is our second trip to Wales. We came about a month or so ago and went to Elan Valley and was amazed by the beauty there. We thought we just kind of lucked out with one really amazing spot in Wales, but coming a second time, we've come to Brecon Beacons National Park, and oh my god, it's amazing. Hopefully all of Wales is like this, but judging by in the distance, it looks like it might be. Wales is beautiful. Probably one of our favourite countries. Made it to the top. So beautiful up here. What a great way to start a morning. I don't usually go for runs, so I'm really loving this. So I got to the top of the mountain and then went past and down a little bit as the track still went, and I'm so glad I did. Look at this view, so amazing. I'm not sure what the town is, but so beautiful, you can see so far. So it's 10 o'clock now and I guess it's time to head back to the van. Hannah stopped just shy of the top of the mountain because she had to go back and start work. I was lucky enough that I could keep going, and now it's time to head back to the van and start doing some work. Hey little sheepy. It's so cool how in these national parks in Wales there's just sheep everywhere. Like even on the road and stuff, they're not fenced off in an area or anything. They just wander the land. This view is beautiful, but I need to get back to the van and do some work. And we're back in the van and I'm really hungry, so time to have some breakfast. Using the oven, I made some toast.
Who made some toast?
You made some toast, but I got it out. Avocado on toast for breakfast. And Hannah's doing some work while I just eat breakfast. And now it's time to have a lovely warm shower in our DIY shower. We haven't shown how this works yet, but a video will come out soon on how we do this. So now after a lovely warm shower, there's some work for a few hours and then I'm not really sure what I'll do after
I'm
this.
doing work too.
Hannah's doing some work.
Day.
So, got a few videos to edit, so better get started.
I just looked up and there was a horse right at the window.
Oh my god, it's so close.
At first I just saw like a bit of its head and I was like, is that a really big sheep? I was like, no, it's a horse.
Have a look over there too, there's heaps of sheep as
There's
well.
loads of sheep.
Oh my god.
Is it a wild horse?
I think so, there's no one else around with it.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing. So it turns out there are loads of horses.
It's like 10 or more.
So cool. All these people in cars watching us film are probably like, they're obviously not from Wales. They're not used to wild horses.
As big as that car.
That's insane. How beautiful. Look at the baby horse.
So cute.
He's like, he saw me filming instead of running.
Chasing the sheep.
Hello, horsey.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.